Hello, I'm Jackson and I live in Parañaque, a place where you can find one of the monuments of Benigno Aquino. Living here means I often hear the roar of airplanes' engines overhead, but I've learned to find peace in simple escapes, like sitting by the sea to watch the sunset while letting my thoughts wander. Sometimes I see life as the most exciting gamble there is. I believe the only way to truly discover your passion is to bet your time on new experiences. Whether you win by learning something valuable or simply realize what isn't for you, every choice becomes part of the journey. This way of thinking also shapes how I spend my free time. I enjoy hobbies that keep me both active and creative. Walking helps me relax and clear my mind, while biking lets me explore places beyond my usual path. I also love reflecting because it allows me to pause and understand life more deeply. On the other side, I like to take risks in creativity and skills, like tinkering with Arduino, editing projects, and writing codes, all of which challenge me to grow through trial and error. And lastly, I enjoy cooking, where I get to experiment and create dishes that, at least from my perspective, are the most delicious. For me, these hobbies are like small gambles. Each one is an investment of time that sometimes pays off with growth, even if the outcome isn't perfect. Right now, I'm in a chapter of my life where I'm actively exploring how to turn this curiosity into a career that feels meaningful. I may not have all the answers yet, but I'm learning to embrace the journey, stay open to new opportunities, and trust the process of figuring out where my passion will take me.